Hello everybody. So today I am working on the old Ranger a little bit. I've got a few things to get done here I was going to share with you. I am taking the Edge into the shop tomorrow to get transmission fluid flushed. I don't really have a good way to do that, so I'm going to have them do it. But the old Ranger here, the air condition doesn't work because of this guy. And right there, that's where it is. That's the compressor on-off switch, low pressure cutout, whatever you want to call it. And it just literally screws on, screws off. So easy. It's got a Schrader in there, so nothing to lose. Got that in already. One little trick to check it is you pull the plug out and you can run a jumper like this one in there, and it should kick on and run. Then you can stick your gauges on the regular ports here. You know, the port here, and then there's one down here. It's hard to see, but anyway, then you can see the pressure. So in this case, I went ahead and checked that. The pressure's good, everything's fine, so I knew the switch was bad. So I picked it up at AutoZone for like 15 bucks and put that in. And also my son let it sit for too long and it killed the battery. So I'm gonna replace that thing too. And man, looks like that needs cleaned up. But should have it running here very shortly. This is our 97 Ranger, 4-wheel drive, 5-speed. Pretty clean, not a lot of rust. Clean as in not rusty, it's dirty, but you get the drift. Pretty nice old truck. Picked it up for like 1,200 bucks. It's a little 3-liter V6. But anyway, so yeah, if you have that compressor not running, unplug this switch, stick a jumper between the two contacts, put your gauges on, and see what it's reading. And if your pressures are good, then your switch is bad. So I won't bore you with the battery change. You know what that is. And next I'm gonna start working on this dude. I had it running, but it's got a little goofy wiring issue where a parasitic drain keeps killing the battery. This is the third battery I've had in it. So enough of that. We're going to try to find it and get that done. So that just about adds this one up. So thanks for watching. Appreciate your like, subscribe, and work on your own stuff.